VettX is like the one-stop shop for private party acquisition for basically any dealership.
The private party is such a serious threat to the automotive industry. So many people are focused on Tesla and what that's going to do, or CarMax. The private party sector is so much greater than all of that combined. The number of private party transactions are only going to continue to grow unless we do something about it.
If you're a dealer and you're not using VettX, then you're being left behind. This software isn't just the private party acquisition software of the future, it's the software of today too. If you're not using it, people in your area will start using it and get that first mover advantage.
What's really unique about and really fulfilling for me is being able to now share it with dealerships nationwide and have it be able to work from the largest dealership groups all the way down to the small independents.
The goal of VettX is not only to provide you a way to buy vehicles, we're looking to provide you a way to grow your business to the next level and create a whole private party buying team.
Imagine a world where you weren't dependent on trying to find inventory. You can buy cars for the price that you want it. You can turn the cars easily, always have plenty of mix, and you're not having to worry and fight over who's going to get the next car. That's what VettX can do for you.